What is good, YouTube? Project Garage 36 coming at y'all at a different angle here. The slammed view. Already got the rear of the car jacked up. Today I'm gonna be doing a drive shaft replacement. I already got the whole drive shaft, but it's really the Guibo, but I'm gonna replace the whole drive shaft too. Hopefully that works. So I got the car jacked up and I'm just gonna walk you guys through it step by step. And then also, I'm gonna take off this shield right here. There's 2 bolts, 1, 2, this whole shield gonna come down and this exhaust gotta get dropped and it's gonna be right up in there. Took this one off already. It's 2 bolts. And there's another one right here. The size is a 13, 13. And it gets those bolts right out. And put the bolts back where you got them from. Heat shields off. Get the other one out.
You take them screws right there.
The disc screws?
The
disc screws? Only part you're gonna need helpers with, so I gotta push the brake when he rotates the drive shaft and put this thing in gear. Only 2 things.
All right, hold the brake.
All right, it's held. Taking a break on the BMW. I'm about to put some coolant in the red car that I got. The $200 fine. It's on my channel if you want to go check that out as well. We got both the drive shafts out. I'm waiting on him because I gotta do the other part, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some coolant in here. And there's a full marker that tells you how much coolant you need in here. So I see it's right down in here. It needs to be all the way over here to the full line. So I see it down here now. Slowly rising up to here. And then I'm gonna turn the car on and let it bleed through here and then do the same cycle. It's right down here. Now it's going up to this line. So I think it'll take this whole thing and I'll pour some more when I start the car. Thermostat will open, it'll go through the motor. And then we can also check if we have leaks for coolant. All right, a little past full, I'm gonna go ahead and cap it. Turn the car on. All right, set all the coolant. You can see it's at the max level. As the car heats up, it's gonna rise over and it's gonna boil over. And hopefully the thermostat opens up. And then we'll watch the temperature gauge. In here. Once that temperature gauge start going real high, then go ahead and switch it. That coolant light's still on right there. We're waiting for that to go off. Kind of hectic, but we got the drive shaft out and the new one in. Got everything back buttoned up, and I'm gonna let the car down and see if she's fixed. That's pretty much it though.